Now it's time to create our fire system. Shift A, add a plane, scale it down, press G and Z to move it up and rotate it along the y-axis. Press Y and then I can press 90. Okay, so in my front view I can just move this in. Okay, press N on my keyboard. Let's see the scale. Let's collapse the scale. Press Ctrl A and select rotation and scale. Rename this, so I'll call this I. Okay, so if I select this plane and come over here, click on object, and under the quick effects select smoke. Once we select this, we get some options over here. So let's expand this. From this drop down we will select fire. Now if you can see, if I start playing, the fire is going upward. It looks like my pipe is on fire. Okay, but we need to change the direction. So this domain, this is called domain. So let's rotate this domain. Go to my front view, or to rotate, let's enter the value 90 and press G, and I'll just move it and bring it over here. Okay, and maybe scale it, and let's scale this down a bit so it's inside. Let's see front of the pipe, and we can scale it down further. Let's bring this somewhat in the center, and now let's select this domain and press Ctrl A, and then we can just apply the scale. Let's move this back inside, sorry, and let's start to play. Okay, fire is not coming out. Let's add some force. Shift A, we will add a force field wind. Okay, and if I go to my front view, let's move this, go to the wireframe mode and rotate this, press 90. Okay, so now we know the direction, and let's play. Okay, so let's come over to the settings, and the strength value is very low. Let's increase the strength value. Let's try 15. Okay, now we can see the fire. We can scale this a bit. Okay, let's scale this further. Now we can just come over here, and as you can see the resolution, let's expand this further. So the resolution is 32. If we change this to 64, so the quality of fire will improve, but of course at the expense of slowing down the system. Let it cache, and then we will see it run smoothly. Okay, now we can see the result. This is how we can create the fire and use the force field to add various effects that we can play with. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit that like button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.